Victor Alpha 7, Lima, Golf, November. Victor Alpha 7, Victor Alpha 7, Victor Alpha 7. Victor Alpha 7, Lima, Golf, November.
Ending November.
Victor Alpha 7, Lima, Golf, November.
Victor Alpha 7, Lima, Golf, November. 3 Alpha, North Dakota.
I copy 3 Alpha, North Dakota. I am 1 Bravo, Bravo Charlie.
Copy 1 Bravo, BC. Thank you. And 7-3.
7-3, you're my first contact.
Heck yeah, let's go. All right. Have a good one and go get them all.
Thanks.
We'll go Foxtrot Field Day.
Victor Alpha 7, Lima, Golf, November. I say again, Lima, Golf, November.
Okay, Victor Alpha 7, Lima, Golf, November. Is this QSL?
QSL, QSL, and I am 1 Bravo, Bravo Charlie.
QSL, 1 Echo, Tango, November.
All right, thank you very much. Good luck. 7-3. Victor Alpha 7, Lima, Golf, November.
Who's Lion Alpha?
Nope. Victor Alpha 7, Lima, Golf, November.
Ending Yankee.
I think I'm just getting stomped.
Yankee again. Alpha 7, Lima, Golf, November. 1 Delta, North Florida.
Oh, thank you for North Florida. I am 1 Bravo, British Columbia. Florida. Not bad. Well, with that last contact, that makes 10 for me. It's starting to get a little cold, and I think I might head on up and head to the hotel room. But yeah, all things considered, not bad for a little throw-together field day setup on Vancouver Island here. All right, that's it till next time.